Welcome to our Travel Payouts 101 series, where we help you take off in the field of travel affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding affiliate banners to your website and share expert tips on how to implement affiliate banners effectively. Hello, and welcome back. This is another actionable video tutorial from Travel Payouts to fast-track your success in travel affiliate marketing. Want to make your website more visually appealing and boost your affiliate earnings? Affiliate banners are a fantastic option. This tutorial will walk you through the process of adding Travel Payouts banners to your website. It will also share some pro tips on how to optimize your banners for more conversions. Today, banners are considered less effective because of banner blindness and the many ad blocking tools that are currently surging in popularity. Yet, if harnessed properly, banners can generate a lot of affiliate conversions. They attract a great deal of attention and help you promote affiliate offers in a more engaging way. Plus, on Travel Payouts, there's a great variety of banners to choose from, and you can add a banner to your website in just a few clicks. Select banners in the Tools tab of the program you want to promote. Copy your unique banner code and paste it into your website. Voila! Here are some pro tips to help you make the most of affiliate banners. First, don't overload your page with banners because this may be overwhelming for your readers. Second, to reduce the risk of ad blocking, don't use the words advertising or banner in your banner name. To summarize, banners are a great affiliate tool if harnessed properly. With Travel Payouts, you can add a banner to your website in just a few clicks. Use banners sparingly. To learn more about Travel Payouts tools and how you can use them to maximize affiliate conversions, watch a tutorial about the best Travel Payouts tools to promote travel affiliate offers. Stay tuned. Now, go ahead and add a Travel Payouts banner to your website to catch your audience's attention and drive more sales. Good luck and see you soon.